In the next 5 minutes, I will reveal to you the secret weapon that's slashing return rates for e-commerce stores by up to 20%, and it's simpler than you think. Hi, this is Des from the Ecom Corner, and in this video I'm going to show you why so many stores are losing out on sales when they can just implement a simple page on their website. Now today we're tackling a problem that's costing e-com store owners millions. And what we're talking about? We're talking about sizing issues. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to slash your return rates and skyrocket your sales. So if this is something that interests you, let's dive in. Now here's a stat that will make you sit up. According to Shopify, sizing issues account for up to 70% of returns in apparel. That's not just a leak in your profits, it's a flood. And it's not just about the money. Every single return chips away at customer confidence, making them less likely to buy from you again. So what's this solution that we're going to be talking about? It's called an AI-powered size guide. This isn't your grandmother's size chart. We're talking about a smart system that provides a personalized recommendation for each customer. So here's how it works. Instead of static measurements, this tool uses AI to analyze multiple data points. It considers body shape, fit preferences, and even past purchase history to suggest the perfect size. Now you might be thinking, Des, my products aren't even clothes. How does this apply to me? Now, before we go on with the rest of the video, I want to pause and I want you to write down what your current return rate is at the moment. Once you've done that, let's see if we can half that. Now, implementing this on your Shopify store is easier than you actually think. There are several plug and play solutions out there. Look for tools like Fit Analytics or even TrueFit. These integrate seamlessly within your existing product pages. Now, there are several keys to customization of these plug and play apps. You'll need to input your product specifications and sizing data, but once that's done, the AI takes over, learning and improving with every interaction. Now, I know what you're thinking, this is going to be really expensive and really complicated. Trust me, it really isn't. The cost is often offset by the reduction in returns within the first month. And as for complexity, most of these tools offer robust support to get you up and running really quickly. So guys, let's recap the benefits. You're dramatically reducing your return rates. We're talking up to 20% for apparel stores. You're increasing your customer confidence, which is leading to higher conversions. You're improving your customer satisfaction and loyalty. And also the long-term cost savings on shipping and handling will be unbelievable. But here's the kicker. This solution scales with your business as you add new product lines or expand to new markets. The AI adapts and improves. So now that you've seen the power of AI-powered sizing guides, let's take your store to the next level. And don't forget, guys, the smallest changes you make today can actually add massive profits later on down the line. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out the video in the description where we show you how to actually add custom pages to your Shopify store. So this is Des signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.